Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This story is all about tidying up. Peppa and George are playing with their toys. First, they play dolls and dinosaurs. "What's that?" squeaks Peppa in her dolly's voice. "A horrible monster?" "Dinosaur," says George. "Grrr." Peppa and George play lots more games. They leave toys and books all over their bedroom floor. What a mess! Daddy Pig comes into the room. He trips on a toy car. "Whoa!" he cries. Mummy Pig wonders what the noise is. "Peppa! George!" she gasps. "You need to tidy up." "But we haven't finished playing," says Peppa. "You can play after you've tidied up," says Mummy Pig.
"I'll help George tidy up," says Daddy Pig. "Mummy Pig, you can help Peppa."
"Let's have a race," cheers Peppa.
"Good idea," says Daddy Pig. "Ready, steady, go!"
Everyone races to tidy up. "Hurry, Peppa," says Mummy Pig. "Put your toys in the basket." Peppa quickly puts away her toys and books. "We'll win the race," she says. Daddy Pig finds a book.
"Shall we read this?" he asks George. "It has lots of dinosaurs in it."
"If you stop to read, you'll lose the race," says Peppa. Soon the last few toys are in the basket.
"George and I win," says Daddy Pig.
"No, Mummy and I win," says Peppa. Mummy Pig looks at the lovely tidy room. "We all win," she says. "Mummy," says Peppa, "now our room is tidy, please can we play again?" "Of course, Peppa," says Mummy Pig. "Yippee!" cheer Peppa and George. Peppa and George search for their toys in the basket. George finds Mr. Dinosaur near the top, but Peppa's doll is right at the bottom. Soon all the toys are back on the floor again. "Oh dear," says Mummy Pig. "Look at all this mess." Peppa, George and Daddy Pig laugh. "Don't worry, Mummy," says Peppa. "We'll have lots of fun tidying up together. Again." And that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you soon for the next one. Thank you. Bye.